we have made it to the Grand Canyon of Bisbee. As you can see, there's a long fence with these holes so you can take pictures fence free. Nice little stop here outside of town. So if we go 15 more minutes down this road, we could be in Mexico. Yeah. Got your passport? Yeah, they'll let you in. Problem is America won't let you back in here. But yeah, it's like 10 minutes. Right over those, there's another little town right there that you can see all the beige buildings.